In this video, I'm giving you 5 options for a healthy breakfast. It's real time and what I actually ate. And just so you know, I typically eat breakfast right after my morning workout, so I'm usually looking a hot mess, so bear with me. All right, let's get it started. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I'm sharing with you what I'm having for breakfast on Monday. And I'm starting the week out with a nice, healthy smoothie. Today's smoothie is from the Dr. Ian K. Smith Shred Power Cleanse book. And it is a very healthy smoothie. It's got blueberries and strawberries and pears and healthy oil and kale and yogurt. All those things that kind of meld together to give you a nice, fresh energy drink, but also to kind of keep you going for a while. So my morning breakfast today is this smoothie. So let's pour it up. Cheers. Join me tomorrow. We'll see what I'm having then. I just finished my morning workout, so now it's time for another healthy breakfast. Today I thought I'd have some yogurt and some fresh fruit on top of the yogurt and a slice of toast. So let's get it started. I love blueberries. So here's today's healthy breakfast. A yogurt parfait with fresh strawberries and blueberries, a slice of whole wheat toast, and I'm not having butter or jam on it today, and a nice tall glass of water. And I'm going to sit at the table and enjoy my view out the window. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. It's day 3. And I've had another good workout, and now it's time for a healthy breakfast. And I'm making an omelet today. And if you're on the Weight Watchers program, many of the things that I'm going to put in the omelet will be 0 points, minus the cheese. I don't have any low-fat cheese, so I will have to count the cheese. Let's get started. Going to chop some mushrooms. I'm going to chop just a little bit of celery, a small amount of onion, and a little bit of carrot. Saute those down, throw in the mushrooms, add a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, and I'm going to use 3 eggs. Since I'll be sharing this omelet with my husband, I think it'll be pretty points friendly because everything so far is 0 points with the exception of the cheese. I like lots of vegetables in my veggie omelet. And I just like the combination that celery, onions, and carrots bring to a dish. I'll throw the carrots in first because they'll take a little bit longer to cook. And then I'll put in the celery and the onion. And I'll try to keep an eye on the onion, because you know how I do. I think I'm going to go with 4 eggs since I've got so many veggies. I'm going to remove this from the heat. Get that plated. So here's my healthy breakfast this morning. I'm having this vegetable, mushroom, and cheese omelet, fresh blackberries, some orange juice, and I'm waiting for the toast to come out of the toaster. And I will probably have a little bit of jam on my toast, but I will skip the butter. In the meantime, I will see you tomorrow. It's day 4. Workout done. Now it's time for breakfast. And today we're continuing to address health and what's for breakfast and what can you make for a healthy breakfast. Let's get started. Love Thomas English muffins. Puss will. This is day 5, where I challenged myself to 5 days of healthy breakfast eating. As you know, if you've been following my channel, I've really been working hard at getting my cholesterol down, keeping my blood sugar at a normal range, and getting my weight back to goal weight. So I thought bringing to you what I had for breakfast for 5 days would give me some added accountability, and I think it has done that. So I appreciate your hanging with me for these last 5 days. If you like this series, let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and let me know what you think. I'm thinking I might do 5 healthy lunches in a couple of weeks coming up. So we'll see how that goes. So today's breakfast is really simple. I'm having some Raisin Bran Crunch. I've got a cup full. I measured it out, and it's going to go in this bowl. And I've learned that when the bowl is about this full, that's all I need to have. I'll bring it up a little higher so you can see that. With some sliced banana and a glass of milk. I just felt like something just kind of cool and quick today. I've got some appointments that I need to get to, so this is what it's going to be. Now let me just share something with you real quick. Notice I didn't get one of these big chili or ice cream bowls. What tends to happen is we get a bowl like this and we tend to fill it up. But if we measure out what we're actually supposed to have, look how much cereal is actually in the bowl. So that's why I try not to get one of these bowls for breakfast when I'm having cereal, because I tend to overfill it. I don't know about you, but I think the visual of this bowl and it being more full just kind of does something good for the psyche. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast and get on with my day. So this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.